In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert your picture into a document and creatively crop it into different shapes, including a perfect circle, if you wish. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your projects, whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or any other type of document that could use a little flair. To start off, make sure you have your document open and ready. Begin by navigating to the Insert tab located on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Once there, look for the Pictures option. Click on it, and you'll have the chance to browse your computer for the image you want to insert. Select your desired image and place it within your document. This marks the first step of our tutorial. Next, it's important to ensure that your image is selected. When you click on the image, you should see a new tab appear on the toolbar called Picture Format. This tab is key to transforming your image, so let's dive into its features. Once you're on the Picture Format tab, you'll notice an option labeled Crop. Clicking the small arrow under Crop reveals a drop-down menu. Here, you want to hover over Crop to Shape. By doing this, you'll see a variety of shapes you can choose from, offering you creative freedom. For this demonstration, if you're aiming to crop your image into a circle, you would select the oval shape, which is found under Basic Shapes. Now, if you want to refine your image even further and turn that oval into a perfect circle, there's an additional optional step you can take. Keeping the image selected, go back under the Crop menu and choose Aspect Ratio. From the list that appears, select 1:1. What this does is it ensures that both the width and the height of your image are equal, giving you that perfect circle shape. Once the shape is applied, you can still make adjustments to ensure your image looks exactly how you want it to. To do this, use the crop handles around your image. These handles allow you to reposition or resize the image within the newly shaped frame, focusing on the part you want to highlight. This flexibility ensures that the main subject of your image is perfectly framed within your chosen shape. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and uniquely cropped your image, adding an artistic touch to your document. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal, but also helps your document stand out. Thanks for following along, and happy creating!